Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist, and today I want to talk about an expanding rivet. So a lot of times when we get moldings that come in and that they're loose and we try to put the screw back in, if the screw's not holding it and the hole stripped out, an option is to use an expanding rivet. So as you can see, this is what the rivet looks like before it's compressed, and then this is the rivet after it's been compressed. So to do this, you would just take any normal rivet gun, put the rivet in. You would take the rivet and slide it into the hole where the screw is at. As you're compressing the rivet, it will expand, and as it's expanding, you're gonna see it compress. And so again, this would be shoved into the hole. And so as the hole, as it's retracting, it's gonna compress the material, the molding, anything that's in there to bite down. Once it's bitten down, this piece will snap off, and that'll be a three-way pronged holding together the material. So we have these available in both black and white, and we'll be putting the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching.